Hello, my old school soul food fans, YouTube subscribers. Today we're gonna be making a pie. It's so easy. That quote, easiest pie, I think they started this pie when they said that. This is my old school egg custard pie. This pie is so easy and it's so good when it's ice cold. That's the only way I can eat it. I grew up on this pie because it's only 5 ingredients. You throw it in the bowl, mix it together, put it in the oven, bake it for half an hour, 45 minutes, voila, it's done. So, before I get started, I want y'all to please subscribe to the channel, like I always say. Please share, please comment. I read comments, I feed off the comments. The likes, I like that, if you like, dislike, or whatever, but the comments is really important too. The comment section way down at the end of the description of the video. Also in the description of the video, I have a recipe. So if you're looking for the recipe, I don't post it. I don't measure a lot of things. I don't say the ingredients. And a lot of times if I do, I say it too fast. The ingredients, the complete recipe is in the bottom of the video subscription. So let's get started here. Like I say, all the thing is 5 ingredients. Milk, egg, sugar. Milk, egg, sugar, a little vanilla, nutmeg. That's it. You put it all in the bowl, mix it together. I got 2 pie crust here. Like I say, on my pie crust, especially with things like this, I part bake my pie crust about 5 minutes to create a barrier. That way I don't have a soggy pie crust. Some people use the raw pie crust for the egg custard or sweet potato pie. The pies that take a long time, like pecan pie, take a long time in the oven, but what they come out with is a soggy crust. So eliminate that. You part bake your crust just a little, 5 minutes to create a barrier between the wet ingredients and the dry. Okay, let's get started. I got, like I say, this is very simple. I'm gonna dump all this in the bowl together. I got eggs. I'm doubling this. This is a double recipe. It looks like a lot. I always make 2 pies when I make them because 1 pie ain't gonna be enough. It calls for 2 cups of milk. Of course, I'm gonna put 4 cups of milk because I'm making double the recipe. Like that. Got the eggs. See, I'm putting all this in here together. Vanilla and nutmeg. That's it. Now I'm gonna mix all this up together. Easy that is. Now, pie crust, I'm just gonna pour it right into the pie crust. What I like to do here, this right quick here. I like to pour it right into my measuring cup here. Give it a better pourability. Make sure I don't spill it, because this is so runny. The other one over here. I got one more over here to do. What you think? See, this one is over here. And put the rest in here. Now this is the tricky part. Getting it in the oven without it spilling over, because this stuff is so runny. That's all it's just milk and eggs. See if I still got them skills. There we go. Okay, that's the first one there. And see if I can get the next one here. Oh, let's build over a little. There we go. Or you can do it and pour it and put it in the oven. I spilled a little on the pan. I need to wipe up. And that's it. We're gonna cook it for about 45 minutes. And I'll come back and show you how it is. Okay, y'all, we back here. Let's check on the pies here and see how they are. They ready? Oh yeah, look at that. Nice. Nice pies. Egg custard. Another one here. See how that nutmeg comes to the top? It always rises to the top of nutmeg. The way I know they're ready, I make these so many times. They got a shake in them. See that shake? It shakes, but it's going, once it cools down, it's not gonna shake anymore. It's gonna firm up. Another way you can do it is stick a knife in it, and when the knife comes out clean, like for instance, see the knife comes out clean, that means they're ready. So you good to go. We're gonna let these cool here. And after they cool, I'm gonna come back here and we're gonna slice one up and show you how they are. Right now, that's perfect. See that? Got that nice little shake in there. You're gonna have a shake. Don't let that shake fool you. They gonna shake like that. Don't mean they're not ready. But once they cool down, you'll see later on when you come back how they firmed up, and there'll be a nice slice. So come back in a minute, about half an hour. We're gonna cut one up and show you how it is. All right, y'all, I'm back. I already cut into this pie here. I'm here eating pie. I'm gonna cut another piece. This pie is so good. Let me show you. See how it firmed up? Firmed up so nicely. It's not jiggly no more. That's why I say about this pie. Once it firm up, cool down, the jiggliness will go away. It'll go down and set. So it's awesome. Very cheap pie. Like I say, all it is sugar, milk, vanilla, nutmeg, and what I leave out? Eggs. That's it. Egg custard. Let me cut another piece here. Show you here. It's so good. The pie is so good. Another piece out of here. See that one? Look at that. Look at that piece of pie. Nice and firm. See that? Beautiful piece of pie. The nutmeg come to the top. That's what it's gonna do. That nutmeg. That's the classic egg custard. That nutmeg comes to the top. And that's what I remember about my egg custard when my mama used to make it. But anyway, try this recipe. Like I said, I can't stop eating this one. I started eating before my cameraman cut on the camera. But anyway, try this recipe. Share my video. Like my videos. Comment. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day.